In this lecture, we'll explore a very efficient way of sorting catalog images into different collections automatically using smart collections. We worked with standard collections earlier. When we created our collections, or in other words, virtual folders, we had to manually drag the images into the collection folders, or set up a target collection and manually insert them into the target collection. The Smart Collection set contains a number of smart collections. With smart collections, we can set up rules that place our images into collections automatically. If you look in your Collections panel, you'll notice the heading Smart Collections. You may have seen this earlier, we just haven't worked with it until this point. Expand the Smart Collections by clicking on this little arrow to the left of the heading. Our Smart Collection set contains a number of smart collections. This includes colored red, 5 stars, past month, recently modified, video files, and without keywords. If you look to the right of each one of these headings, you'll see that each one already contains images. That's because Lightroom has automatically added images that match certain criteria to each one of these smart collections. For example, the colored red smart collection has a rule. This rule checks for any images that have a red color label and automatically inserts them into the colored red smart collection. We didn't even have to do anything. This was completely automated. Another example is 5 stars. As soon as we attached 5 stars to any one of our images, it was automatically placed into the 5 stars smart collection. Video files. Lightroom detected that one of our files in our gallery are video, and so that video file can be found in the Video Files Smart Collection. We have 6 images and 1 video that has no keywords, and that's the reason these images were placed in the Without Keywords Smart Collection. Administering smart collections is just like administering regular collections. For example, if we wanted to delete or rename it, we just right-click on it and click on Rename and Delete. And similar to standard collections, we can also export this smart collection as a separate catalog. In addition to these smart collections that Lightroom automatically generated for us, we can create our own custom smart collections with our own set of rules. In the next lecture, we'll show you how to do that.